Alright, y'all, so we're about to go ahead and head out. So let me kind of explain this one. Y'all gonna see, this for this specific detail is gonna be my first time like seeing like a car sight unseen and giving a price on it right then and there. The only difference is this particular customer that I'm doing, this is the third time I have serviced them, so that's the only thing different. But I'm just trying it out. I told them to send me pictures. They never sent me pictures, so I kept them on the schedule, and I'm just gonna give them a price when I get there. Now, from what my understanding, it's supposed to be kind of bad, and it's a different vehicle than last time. So the first time I serviced, I did a van, which honestly, they told me it was bad, and it really wasn't. It was actually pretty decent shape. It just needed like a good scrubbing. That was it. So that I had charged them $250 for the van, and then I came back. They wanted to do the engine bay, and then I charged them $120 for the engine bay, and to wash the outside too, because you got to pair it with something. So I charged them $120, and then I had started doing headlight restorations. So I had only charged them like $20 to do that, because they were like the second person that I did the headlight restoration with. So, you know, I'm still kind of getting my experience and stuff like that. So that more than likely is going to be priced at $50 to $60 from now on. But that time I charged them only $20 to do the headlights as well. So I mean, they know that I'm not like really, they know that I'm not cheap. So I'm pretty sure they already expecting to pay over $200 for this truck. So once we get there, I'll be able to see the condition and stuff. But I just want to see, I need to get better. So I need to get better at giving prices in person, and this is one way to kind of practice, is to give a price in front of the customer and not over the phone. And the reason why I hate giving prices in front of a customer is because I can see the disappointment in their face. Not the disappointment, but I can see that that they're not about to pay that, and they're not about to go through with the detail in the first place. So that's why I just give it over the phone. I don't see no emotions or nothing like that. I hope that makes sense to y'all, you know what I mean? So like I said, I need to do more in-person consultation as well. But let's go ahead and get to the vehicle. It's supposed to be a Toyota Tundra. I'm not sure what size it is. So if it's the smaller version, then it's going to be charged around the same as a sedan. If it's the bigger version, obviously it's going to be charged the same as like a van or a Tahoe or something like that. So let's see.
Say 235, right?
Yeah, 235.
240. Okay.
All right. Thank you. Alright, y'all, so we finished with this one. 12:30. So we did a full interior detail. So what that means is basically we did the steam cleaning to get in all the little cracks and crevices. Right now I can't even talk. I also shampooed the seats to get some of the stains out, make them look way better. As you can see, I think this one had a pretty decent stain in it. And for sure the rear seats had some stains in it. I got that out, got it looking better. We put a vinyl, I can't even talk right now. All right, so like I said, we did a full interior detail, shampooed the carpet, or steamed the carpet, shampooed the mats. The carpet wasn't that bad. Went ahead and extract the seats as well. All right. The only thing I have to do, I see some little spots on the headliner. I'm gonna go ahead and hit those before I call them, or I go knock to let them know that I'm finished. Actually, I already got paid. And then obviously, as y'all saw, we did a exterior wash. It wasn't really dirty that bad on the outside. Really, the wheels was full of brake dust and stuff, but I don't know what's going on with these wheels. You got all this was there before, but that's weird how it's doing that. I've seen that on some other Toyota cars too. Products, I guess you could say, not cars. Alright, y'all, so since the dad is the one, this is the not third vehicle I've done for him, but third time I serviced something of theirs. So the first two times was the van, like I said. I charged them $250 to do inside and out, full interior. Same thing I did on this one. Then I came back and did the headlight restoration and the exterior wash for $100. And then now I did this, and all in all we made $240. I charged them $235, and that is the bare minimum of that package for something that size. That's the bare minimum, is $235. I charged them $235 because it's really not that bad, so I didn't see no point to charge $250, $275, $300 or anything for something like that. It did take me about 3.5 hours, so I started at 9. Well, I finished around 12:30ish. So about 3.5 hours. You can almost say almost 4 hours or whatever. And that's really me not trying to hurry up. That's me really kind of just taking my time, making sure I'm getting everything. If I wanted to go faster, I would go faster. But for me, I want to go faster to be able to fit in more cars and stuff like that. But I also don't want to, I want to make sure the quality of the detail is good before I start trying to fit in more than 2 cars a day. But that's just for me. So I don't mind spending 4 or 5 hours on a car if I'm charging 200 and up or whatever, and if I gotta spend 4 hours or 5 hours on a car and I'm charging 200 and up, that's totally fine for me. Okay, cut all that out. So if you the type of person where you want to give prices when you get there, I don't give prices unless I see the vehicle in pictures and I give a price from there. This is the very first time where I gave a price when I got there. I looked at it, I said, okay, well look, the package starts at $235. That's what I'm gonna charge you, is $235. It's not that bad. If this was a first-time customer, I would have never done that. For me, I can only speak on my experience. I would only give prices in person, like without like scheduling somebody in and giving them a price when you get there. If it is a returning customer, a customer that you know for sure more than likely won't have an issue with whatever price you give. So that guy, even though he's a little hesitant when I said $235, he was kind of like, okay. And then before he left to go to work, he can't give me cash, and he left to go to work. I'm actually about to send a message right now, let him know I'm heading out. But you know, everybody does stuff differently. So if you prefer to get there and then give a price, then do it that way. For me, I get pictures, I give a price right then and there with the pictures. If it's a little worse than in the pictures, then you know, it is what it is. But 9 times out of 10, I kind of hit with the price, and the pictures, I hit it dead on of what I would have charged if I saw it in person. So If not, sometimes I charge more because of with the pictures, honestly. So, like I said, it just all depends. But you just got to be confident with your prices. So be confident to say $235 with a blank face. Well, like, you gotta just be straight up with it and be confident in the price that you're giving. So when people stop by, hey, how much to clean the seats? $150. It's gonna start off at $150, and then I say, hey, well, look, take a look at my website, and we can go from there. So, but thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.